good, YouTube? It's your girl DejaDeshay, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Now I know I'm looking crazy, but y'all already know from the title I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my jumbo box braids. Now I already parted and sectioned my hair, so I'm gonna just show y'all how I apply it, and then we just gonna take it from there. But before I get too far, if you're new to my channel, make sure you click that like button. Make sure you subscribe and catch the vibe. And if you already been on my channel, thank you for watching. So we're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna be using the jumbo braiding hair for $2 and in the color 350 vibe. So I mean, and it kind of matched my hair color too, so I just really wanted it to blend. This is already parted. I'm gonna just take rubber bands to hold the hair that I'm not using out my way, you know. So to make sure my hair stay tucked in my braid, I'm gonna just be using this Eco Professional Styling Gel to just make sure, you know, my ends, like this part, doesn't end up sticking out of the weave. So now I'm gonna take about this much hair and I'm gonna just add this much. I have two pieces and I just cross it over, so then it looks like this, and have it like this. Slap some gel on that. As you can see, I already did around my head. I did my full back. I left these two out so that I can show you how it looks braiding it to the rubber band. And then I'm going to speed up the part where I'm braiding it downward. And then I roll it to seal it. And then extra hair is just gonna come out, and just pull that off. Then you're good to go. So I have this one last braid to show y'all, and then we're to let you know, be careful when burning the end. It is hot, so if you go to roll it, it's gonna be a little hot. If you're a pro like me, it don't affect you. If you guys like this video, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up. Y'all subscribe to catch the vibe. And if you already been on my channel, thank you for watching. So this way. Alright, see y'all in the next video.
On your side, but it's hard to do right. Don't pay them haters no mind. You can be what you like. Trying to lead us in the past, running for a new life.